Co-champion Chef George here from the Georgie's Live Cooking Show. Today is, guess what? Sneak Peek Sunday. As you can see in the subject line, that I'm doing a grilled vegan pizza. So let's get right to it. But first off, make sure you go to www.sauceme.com. Put your name and email in. You'll get 7 free recipes. 7 free recipes. Plus, make sure you hit the link below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate that because we're impacting and changing lives one taste bud at a time with the world famous George's all-purpose barbecue sauces and rub. Also, make sure you share, like this video, share, like our videos on YouTube. We really appreciate that. So here we go, guys. The Georgie's grilled vegan pizza. So right over here, we have a few items here. We have some vegan cheddar cheese. We have some vegan mozzarella cheese. We're going to be using Georgie's all-purpose barbecue sauce, the Mangolicious, as the base. We have also, all right, fire it up. You need to go in the house and get that. It's a little green bowl.
I got you.
Slow down there, Tiger. And so we're going to be using a pizza crust that we got from Trader Joe's. I'm going to use maybe just a skosh of some olive oil. We got some cilantro and parsley. We're going to be using some baby Bella mushrooms. We're going to be using George's all-purpose sauce. Oh, excuse me, rub. That's a live blooper. We also have over here, if you look over here, we also have some of I roasted some potatoes, and I put these on a little sooner so we can get these nice and ready to go. 90% organic. They're vegan. They're low in sugar, if you will. They're gluten-free. They're amazing, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see the ingredients there. Can you see that focusly?
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
So we have 4 amazing flavors. Inquire about how you can grab a hold of that. Ooh, this is got some nice heat to it because this is some fresh sauce. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and take some of this sauce and put this right on the pizza dough, if you will. Okay. We're just going to use that as our base. And again, this is indirect heat. This is indirect heat. And already this pizza is starting to get hot because of the indirect heat coming from the grill. So we got a little bit of that on there. Okay, boom. Now we're going to take a little bit of the salt and we got salt, a little bit of cilantro and parsley, a little salt.
Rich Wallowitz is watching.
Rich, what's up, brother? We're gonna take a little bit of the George's all-purpose rub. We're gonna throw that on there too. Boom. Now we're gonna start, as we're doing the vegetables.
It says happy Sunday to everyone.
Same to you, brother. So what we're doing is, we got the potatoes on here that we started these about 20 minutes earlier or so. So we want to make sure that we have where's the camera? Are you pointing the camera at me, bro?
Yes, I am. I got you.
Look like you way to the right over there.
No, you're fine.
So we put the peppers, not peppers, these are potatoes. We put those on ahead of time. What I'm going to do now with this onion is take it off. We don't want it to be real, you know. We put that on over here on that side because we're going to top all it, put that all on the I'm going to put that all on the pizza. So what I'm going to do now is going to add some of the cheese. This is some of the some vegan cheddar cheese, and I'm going to leave a list of all the ingredients in the description. That's the vegan cheddar cheese. Now I'm going to use some vegan mozzarella cheese. So this is your pizza. You can do what you want with it. my pizza. I'm gonna do what I want with it. All right. Now we got the peppers. Excuse me, not the peppers, the onions. Now you can add stuff too. You can do peppers. We can do any kind of vegetables. And then obviously, if it's not a vegan pizza, you can do the same thing with some traditional cheese, and you can maybe do some burger or hamburger or sausage, whatever you want to do. But this is just a vegan pizza that I'm doing. And again, I'm going to leave all of the amounts. You guys, make sure you go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate that. Right now we're at, I believe, 74 subscribers right now. And so just make sure you go ahead and our goal is our initial goal is to do 1,000, and then obviously we want to go to 100,000 and 1 million, and we want to impact and change lives with our amazing barbecue sauces, 4 amazing barbecue sauces, and our rub and our amazing recipes. So make sure you hit subscribe in the link below to go to our YouTube channel. So we're just about ready to go ahead and put this on here. Rubs or whatever. And we're good to go now. So now we're gonna go ahead and cut this. And you can cut this and have little slices. Have nice little slices. And you could probably give this to, you could probably 5 or 6 people could have a little snack off of this. Right? That big one in the middle there. All right, so now I guess I gotta try it, don't I?
You don't have to, but you better.
All right, so guys, you can look and see because I could just pipe it in.
Okay.
Because you put it in like halfway in.
There we go. We're back.
Okay, we're back, fired up. Sorry about that, guys. We lost some the internet, the high-speed internet. So that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It's sliding around on the plate there. That's it right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Suki now. Y'all see that?
That looks delicious.
All right, so I guess I got to go ahead and sample this right now. Father in heaven, thank you for this food. Let it be a nourishment to our bodies. We thank you for it now in Jesus' precious name. Amen.
Amen.
Let the church say amen.
Amen.
Let the church say amen again.
Amen again.
Okay, here we go. Right here. Boom, boom, boom. So you guys see it? Boom, boom, boom. Right there.
All right. Let's get it.
So it's a vegan, grilled vegan pizza on the grill. I mean,
Right.
That's a double entendre.
Yeah.
Or double negative. All right, here we go.
That crunch. You hear that? Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
How is it?
The Mangolicious is sweet and spicy.
Uh-huh.
So it's sweet and spicy. Good. Got enough crunch on the crust. This is delicious. Lord have mercy. Y'all see that? There's all that cheese and there's some of the sauce right there. Sauce right there. Huh? All right, guys. I want to thank Rhea, Darlene, Rich,
Buddy.
Claire,
Yes. And Tina.
Tina.
And Rich, of course.
I said Rich.
Okay.
I want to thank you that are watching live. Make sure you hit subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this video, let the world know we're impacting and changing lives. One taste bud at a time with the world famous George's all-purpose barbecue sauces and rub and amazing recipes. You guys are awesome. This is the amazing vegan pizza on the grill. God bless you guys. I'm Chef George. I'm out. God bless. Fired up.